In this video, I'll show you how to install DaVinci Resolve and activate the Studio version. So first, what you're gonna wanna do is open up a new tab, paste in this link, which is also in the description of this video, press enter, and then you'll be navigated to their support center. There you'll download the newest version, not of DaVinci Resolve, but of DaVinci Resolve Studio. It is very important that Studio stands here. And you'll choose the file which is for your PC. Mac OS requires this, Linux this, and you'll probably want to click on this. Then you'll fill in your information. Once you've entered all your information, you can click on OK, and the file will start downloading. Once it is fully downloaded, you quickly open it up and extract it either with 7-zip or with extract all. Then you'll have it in a singular folder. This is only the installer. So you'll double click it and then it will start extracting some files. This will take a while, but not that long, so we can keep it right here while we are talking. Wait a bit and give me watch time. We're at 80% and now there'll be a window opening. We have to accept it, click on yes, wait a little bit longer and click on all of this, install it, and the installation will start. The next step is just clicking on next, accepting the license agreement, but please read through it because it is very important. Again, clicking on next, choosing where to install it, next, and actually installing it. This will take a while again. Next, this window is going to pop up. You can just click on finish. Now you click on OK, and the software has been installed. You open it by pressing Windows and opening it, or typing in DaVinci Resolve. Next, this window will show up. You can either use the Blackmagic Cloud ID or the license key. I'll use the license key because I got a cool card. You'll enter in the license key, and for me, I obviously won't show it, but it is the number on the plastic card you'll get via mail from Blackmagic Studio. After this, you will click on activate and OK, whatever. The DaVinci Resolve Studio will launch, load all the projects, and you'll need to allow everything. And now you can load your databases and your projects, and you have your cloud and your network. That's it. Have a nice day.